Alright, so today I wanted to go over my loading bar module. The basics on the schematic page: start button, end button, start time, end time. Max value is 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. The times are displayed in seconds. LED whenever the status is loading. The start bar loads from left to right. The end bar loads from right to left. And the shared will load either direction, left to right and right to left, depending on whichever way you are starting the system. And the loading percent will display the percentage state of the loading, system loading, right? And then this colored share meter sync will either let you just whatever color you set it to by default, right? So I set it to a pink color. If this button is disabled, if it's enabled, it will match either the start or end state. So if I hit start, it's now going to be green, and system is starting for 10 seconds. Let me change this to 15 instead of 60 here for end. And also once you hit start or end, it disables these buttons until this timer expires. Uh, Here's the end button. So now this meter is red and is going from right to left. And notice the percentage too is also, percentage is, either going to go up or down. This one is just the same. Let's see. And then we have some documentation here, some pop-ups off to the right. And again, if you want to disable that, this will just be at whatever color you define this at. Now the control pins, while this is loading, we could see, boom, this is true, the system loading to match that yellow LED. As soon as the timer expires, boom, it goes false. Now that the system has started, boom, the signal stays true, the system end is false. And then out of here, we can get some percent data. This is a string value, and then we just have some other regular values coming out of here, integers. And so for the normal, the left to right bar, right, the reverse, the right to left, and then the shared. And then if you needed to trigger these from something, you can do so. You could also drag this onto your UCI and then have this signal trigger things. Same thing for end, right? So that's why I kind of left these buttons loose. So if you wanted to use them, you could, and you already have these control pins set up for you. Um, the advanced controls, the enable buttons override. So if you were to hit system end, right, we come over here to enable buttons. Well, now the disabled is no longer active, and this just temporarily does it. And then as soon as you push it again, it'll disable the buttons, yada yada. But this is just if you had some long timer and you're like, oh shoot, I meant to press this, you have a way out. There is also a restart script, and this pink button is just the same on the schematic page here. Just threw it back over here as well. This restart script will just simply restart the script, and then it throws a script reloaded by user. And also if you enable the buttons, I got it to debug there as well. And then the code page is just the code page. And like I said earlier, on each page there is documentation to explain what each property does, right, or each control does. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you very much.